The first patients that were being treated with this medical device were children with severe burning wounds. They had this two-component solution which was sprayed on the wound to attach the donor skin, and it worked. It was safe, it was effective, and it was efficient. But the product is not available anymore. The company is not around, and it was not due to the technology. It failed because they were not able to realize a sustainable commercial business. And the children, they're back to the old treatment of stapling the donor skin to their little bodies and having to go to surgery twice. Unfortunately, that's not rare within our medtech industry. Because in the medtech industry, you have to face the two valleys of death. And let me explain that with the numbers. Let's say you have 100 innovation ideas for medical devices. The first 80, don't make it to product launch. And the 20 innovations that are being placed on the market, from those another 70% don't survive the 5 years of full commercialization. And why is that? Well, Alexander is already addressing the first valley of death with his solution to reduce the risk there. But a big part of that is due to commercialization, because it's not due to innovation. There is enough innovation going around. But they are challenged with commercialization, because that is a completely different journey. The moment that you have a product idea, you need to spend years and years, and we just heard it from, what was the name, Chanel, on how long it takes to develop a product, to bring it to market, to do clinical trials, to do testing, to get a product, the production line set up, to get regulatory approval. And in the meantime, you need to get funding as well. 4 years is fast if you can realize that. But then you finally place it on the market. And as a CEO, as a founder of the company, you need to switch hats because you're moving into a different role. Suddenly you have to develop a commercial strategy, which most of them are not trained for because they have a clinical or a technical or a biomedical background. And the commercial hurdle that they face is distributor management. Because in our industry, in the medical device industry, startup and scale-up companies are working with distributors in every country to represent and sell their products. But how do you find the right partner? How do you grow their business? And how do you make sure that they prioritize your product and really work hard to sell it? That's why we developed a masterclass on medical device distribution. Within 6 weeks, we teach founders of medical device companies the 3 pillars of distribution success. We teach them how to find partners that are long-term partners and are the right partners to distribute your products in that country. In pillar 2, we show you how you can facilitate those distributors, so to make sure that they really know how to position your product in the market. And pillar 3, we show you how you can grow together with your business partner for the long term and be successful in the commercialization. And this is not a very theoretical masterclass, it's all about practical implementation in the market. And the beauty is, you get to do this together with other CEOs who are joining our online masterclasses. And they bring in their business cases, you bring your business cases, and there's so much interaction going on in our online classes. It's a kind of a mastermind session every other week. Because I don't want to see these kind of products which are working perfectly collecting dust. I don't want to see new innovations not reach the patients that they are designed for. So if you are working on a medical device startup, don't let commercialization be the end of it. Let's change the odds, and instead of having 6 out of 100 companies succeed, make it 60 that succeed. So if you are interested in a medical device company, in a startup, let's talk, because I really want to help you to bring your innovation to the people that need it most. Thank you.